Hello, this is Kenshin1913 filming another Cooking with Kenshin1913, and Stella's helping Grandma, and we're going to make garlic bread, easy garlic bread. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to get our ingredients. So we have olive oil, we have some red pepper flakes, some parsley, some grated cheese, and of course our star of the show, garlic. Now you can cut this in small pieces. I have this little garlic dish that I bought. I had seen it at one of the fairs. They use it in Europe.
Grandma?
And what you do is you grate your garlic over it and it makes almost like a paste. You could also buy garlic paste in the store if you'd like to. So, and of course the other ingredient we need is bread dough. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint our baking dish. Do you want to help me paint it?
Yeah, but I need...
Here.
Wait, Grandma. I need one.
Oh, you need one too?
I can have the green.
Okay, you can have the green one. Let's paint it. Go ahead, put it in there a little bit. Just a little bit. That's a girl. Now paint it all up. Very good. Paint it all up for Grandma. That's it. See, get all the spots. Put a little bit more. Very good. Go ahead. Get just a little bit, just a little bit. Shake it off. There we go. Okay. Now you keep painting that for me, okay? All around on it, okay? Hold the pan. That's it, so it doesn't slide. And I'm gonna start grating.
Grandma, what are we doing?
We're grating the garlic.
Hey, Mommy, do you like Grandma coming up?
So yeah, yes, I'm here too. And we're grating the garlic. Right, Stella?
Yeah. And action.
Action, yeah.
Petey, turn that one off.
And then what she's doing is she's gonna add it to the oil right there. The extra olive oil. We're using about 1/4 cup.
Okay, so we have all of our garlic grated into the olive oil. To this, I'm going to add a little hot pepper. Just a little bit to taste. Because a little goes a long way. And we're going to add a little bit of parsley. And we're going to mix this up and just let it sit over here while we stretch our bread dough.
Oh, it's time to spread the dough.
Okay.
That's so.
Now this is dough from the grocery store. You know, if you like to make your own, you can. And all you're going to do is just keep stretching it. Come on, help me. Stretch it. And you know, sometimes you can get a little frustrated with dough because you're stretching it and it shrinks back on you.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
It's sticky, that's right.
It's more pizza dough than bread dough, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Grandma.
But they're basically the same.
Can I soft it?
No, it doesn't get soft. Okay, let's pick it up. And we're going to put it in this pan here. See?
Pan that, Stella, right? The pan that you
Oiled up.
Oiled up. You painted.
Yeah. See? And it shrinks down back a little bit because now it's sitting on oil. If you don't want to put oil on the bottom of your pan, you can cook your bread on a stone. Or the stone that goes into the oven, a pizza stone, or you can actually even put parsley on it. I mean, parchment paper on it. Okay, now, if you ever heard of like focaccia bread, what focaccia bread does is you indent your fingers.
Can you do that too, Stella?
Yeah, Stella's doing a good job.
It's really sticky.
It is.
Your hands are getting sticky.
Uh-huh. So it makes like little indents. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our mixture. Take your hands off. Take your hands off. Oh, okay, very good. Leave it there. And we're gonna spread. You want to spread it on for Grandma?
Yeah.
Okay. You get yours. Go ahead. Spread it.
Oh,
What happened?
come.
It got on you. That's okay. It's just some oil. Now spread it all around. Nice. So it's like painting, huh? Is that like painting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Finish up. I want to get all of that nice garlic out of it. Okay. Are we done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's put our spoon over here, our brush. Okay, now we're going to just take a little bit of grated cheese, put it on the top. And this goes in a 400-degree oven for about maybe 15 minutes or so. You have to kind of judge. The bottom will become, you know, crusty, nice and brown, golden brown. Just got to keep an eye on it to see how fast it'll cook. And we'll be back. Okay, so here we are with our final product. And as you can see, it's nice and crispy on the bottom. Now you can use a pizza cutter to cut this in little pieces, or your kitchen shears.
Yeah. Now, how long was that in? About 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
Okay.
I checked it like once or twice, and you just want to gauge it to be nice and crispy.
Yeah, so this is easy garlic bread. And it's really simple. And as long as you have pizza dough, you can pretty much do this whenever the heck you want.
And you know, if you don't want it to be like this and cutting it, you could actually experiment with the dough and do like knots or twist. And you do the same thing. You put either you can put garlic inside the dough and mix it up, or just rub it on top like we did with this one.
Right. So let's eat it. All right, I'm here. That's right. Anyways, this is our garlic bread, our very simple and easy garlic bread. And honestly, I like the ends, the sides.
So do I.
Yeah, you get that nice crunch.
Soft in the middle.
Yep. Good garlic flavor. A little bit of cheese, a little hotness from the hot pepper flakes. I'd have to say this is really simple, really easy, and really quick, right?
It is.
So I've been Pete.
And we missed
Oh,
saying goodbye
I'm
to
sorry.
Stella because she had to go home. So she saw the final product come out of the oven.
Yeah, but she
had to go with her mom.
She probably wouldn't like that anyways, just because of the hot pepper. I mean, she might be able to do garlic. But anyways, I've been Pete, or Kenshin1913, along with
Mom.
This has been another Cooking with Kenshin1913.
Enjoy and happy eating.